In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JSON in Confluence. If you want to display JSON so it's easy to read or provide a downloadable file for teammates, I'll show you the two most common and reliable ways to do it. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to edit the page you are working on and decide whether you want to show the code on the page, share it as a file, or both. Let's start with the clearest way to display JSON right on the page using the code snippet macro. Open the page you want to update, then click Edit at the top. Or simply press the E key as a shortcut. Once you are in the editor, type / followed by the word code, and select code snippet from the menu that appears. This inserts a code block into your page. Next, set the language for proper highlighting. In the macro settings, open the language dropdown and choose JSON. This step is important because it enables color coding and formatting that make brackets, keys, and values much easier to scan. Now paste your JSON into the text box. If you have a large block, consider formatting it first to ensure valid syntax and readability. When it looks right in the editor, click Publish to save your changes. Your JSON will appear with clean, color-coded formatting that's easy for others to review without downloading anything. Here are a couple of quick tips for this approach. If your JSON is very long, think about adding a brief explanation above the code block to help readers understand the context. Also, if you don't see syntax colors, double-check that the language is set to JSON and that your JSON is valid. Even a missing comma can affect how it renders. If you'd rather provide a file that teammates can download or reuse in other tools, you can attach a JSON file to the page. While still in edit mode, simply drag and drop your .json file from your computer onto the page. Confluence will upload it and insert a link automatically. Alternatively, click the Insert button, choose Files and Images, then select your JSON file to upload it manually. After it appears on the page, you can adjust the link text if you want. Publish the page and anyone with access can click the link to download the file. That's it. Thanks for watching.